how to change PIN for fixed dialing numbers access on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the phone application. Next, tap on the More button, then choose Settings. In Call Settings, we then scroll down and tap on Supplementary Services. Then tap on Fixed Dialing Numbers. From here, tap on Change PIN to. Then enter in the current PIN and tap on OK. Now we enter in a new PIN. Then tap on OK. Enter in the same PIN again to confirm. Then tap on OK. And that's it. Finally, tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.